When we go to watch a movie, we sit quite comfortably for 2 to 3 hours. We don't even move much. Why is it that we can sit 2 to 3 hours in a movie, and then when it comes to meditation, we can't even 5 minutes seems like a struggle. So this is obviously not just a purely physical inability to sit. Yes, make yourself as comfortable as possible. Meditation is not about torture. Certainly be comfortable. If you can't sit on the ground, sit in a chair. Right? But once you sat there, now notice that this twitchiness, this itchiness, this fidgetiness, this pain in the body, it's actually not a physical pain. This is your mind not wanting to change its habit pattern. Imagine, like when you go to the kitchen, your mother is making food and she has some kind of a frying pan or some kind of a, tawa we call it in India. And once she's finished making the food, she takes it to wash. The first cool drop of water falls on this pan. There's a psst, fizzing, sizzling effect. What is it? The hot pan did not like this cool drop of water. She puts another drop. Psst, and again, drop by drop, she opens the tap. More and more drops fall. Little by little, psst, 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 calms down. It stops fizzing. It stops making that sizzling sound. What happened? The temperature of the water became equal to the temperature of that frying pan or that tawa. In the same way, our mind is really hot. Hot with what? Hot with wanting, not wanting, and confusion. Wanting, not knowing. These are the three poisons of our mind. It takes us away from our basic nature, which is just always fine. Now in this hot pan, you put a cool drop of just being, witnessing. The hot pan did not like it. So now there is irritation, there is a sense of fidgetiness, a sense of pain in the body. This is not because of a physiological inability to sit. This is because of an inner storm that's going on. And it's a very healthy thing. So do your best. We're not saying absolutely be rigid. If you're really feeling you're hurting a bit, so move your leg. The moment you feel that the pain in your body is getting so much that you can't focus on what you're doing, then go ahead and change. But change slowly, change mindfully, change consciously. And then again decide that now I come back to my meditation object. And let's not be so easily overwhelmed. A slight itch, a slight scratchiness, it's all right, you can bear that. Only when it gets unbearable, go ahead and change it. Like this, instead of the body ruling you, your soul, your inner being, your inner knowing, your inner wisdom rules. And that is where the true happiness comes from. If we follow every little impulse, then how can we be happy? Because life, we don't always get only pleasant experiences in life. You're going to get lots of unpleasant experiences. The smallest little itch is so hard to bear. How will you bear the big challenges of life? So meditation is training us to have equanimity, which means a balanced mind. And certainly as you practice, it will not take too long. You will find your capacity to sit comfortably and to stay in that position without moving will dramatically get enhanced. Very easily you'll be able to sit for 20 minutes, half an hour, even 1 hour, even 2 or 3 hours. Let it happen naturally. It's not a question of when you're sitting for longer, you're a better meditator. The main point is the quality of your attention, not the quantity of time that you're sitting. So whatever time you do sit, do it enthusiastically and do your best to be as still as possible. Welcome whatever comes up. It's all healthy.